Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's today Wednesday, February the 1st 2023, and it's today also war day number 343. 343 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. Okay, three regular puzzles we have here. The first one I've already solved. We have here the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, and I will start with this one in a few seconds, the medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, but all PDF files are uploaded, so you can do all the puzzles if you have the spare time. Alright, medium Sudoku number 5888. Yeah, 5888. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've noticed that the medium Sudoku has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus and the additional of the newspaper, it will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 2 stars, so let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. Then let me see. Wow. In this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. Half of those numbers, 3 of those numbers are the 8, the 7, and the 1. We have 8, 7, and a 1 in this row. So no 8, 7, and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 8, 7, and a 1 goes in those 3 boxes. 8, 7, and a 1. Well, we have a 1 here, so 8 and a 7. 8, 7, and a 1. We have an 8 there, so 7 and a 1. 8, 7, and a 1, okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, and look, we have 3 and a 4 in this column, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Alright, then 4 in the 3rd row, 4 in the 2nd row, so the 1st row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay. Then, well, 2, 1, 5. 1, 5. 8, 1, 5, 8. Okay. 8, 8, 5, 5. And the 1 could be everywhere. Wow. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the 3rd column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 in the 3rd column, 9 in the 2nd column, so the 1st column, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. Need to wait. Then, 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in the middle column, so no 3 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2, 2. Yeah. We have 6 here. 1, 2, 4. Well, we have a pair. The 2 and a 4 in this column. The 2 and a 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this middle column for number 1. And we have a pair again, the 1 and the 6 in this column, the 1 and the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1 and 2, 3 to 4, 5 is missing, the 6 to 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes and there. Then 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2, 2, okay. 7, 4, 2. Okay. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. The 7 and a 1. 7 and a 1. Yeah, 7 and a 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4, 4. We have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then. Need a 5 here, okay. Let me see, the 5 in the third row, the 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We have a 6 in this second row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 8 in this second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. We have a pair, the 6 and the 5 in this third column, the 6 and the 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 6 and the 5, 6 and the 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. About a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. About a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. How about the 1 in this column? 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square of numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is... oh, we have already a 3. So this can be a 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Not the 3, but the 7. Almost made a mistake. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 50 minutes. And I like this puzzle. Yes, I like this Sudoku. Did you enjoy the video? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.